Get ready to level up your holiday cooking game. In this video, we're diving into 18 amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets that will save you time and make your holiday feast a breeze. From clever tools to innovative appliances, these gadgets are here to help you whip up delicious meals without the stress. Don't miss out on these must-haves for your kitchen this season. Number 1. Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. Looking to save time and make meal prep effortless? Meet the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper, the ultimate kitchen sidekick. This original pro chopper is simple to set up, easy to clean, and perfect for chopping, slicing, and dicing like a pro. Its rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades stay razor sharp, delivering smooth, precise cuts for everything from potatoes to cucumbers. Designed for comfort and safety, it features a soft grip handle, non-skid base, and a catch tray to keep your counters mess-free. Plus, it's BPA-free and dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Whether you're new to cooking or a seasoned chef, the Full-Star Food Chopper is a must-have. Save time, cut like a pro, and make meal prep easier than ever. Number 2. Rabbit Automatic Electric Wine Bottle Opener. Opening wine has never been easier with the Rabbit Automatic Electric Corkscrew. This sleek and efficient corkscrew does all the work for you. Just place it on the bottle, and it automatically removes and ejects the cork. No buttons or effort required. With a rechargeable battery, it opens 30-plus bottles on a single charge and works on all cork types, including synthetic and plastic. Plus, it includes a built-in foil cutter for added convenience. The Rabbit Corkscrew makes a perfect gift for wine lovers or anyone tired of manual openers. Enjoy wine time effortlessly and mess-free with this must-have gadget. Number 3. Geedel Food Chopper. Looking to save time in the kitchen? The Geedel Food Chopper is here to make meal prep easier and safer. With its stainless steel blades, it chops, dices, and grinds quickly without any risk of injury. Just slap the chopper and it effortlessly dices onions, garlic, and more in seconds. The best part? Cleanup is a breeze. Simply disassemble it and rinse under running water or toss it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Perfect for chopping vegetables, garlic, nuts, or even making small salads. This chopper is great for both beginners and seasoned cooks. Whether you're a kitchen pro or just starting, it's the perfect tool to speed up meal prep. The Geedel Food Chopper helps you spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your meals with family and friends. A must-have kitchen gadget. Number 4. Magic Bullet Blender. Looking for a fast and efficient blender? The Magic Bullet Blender is your go-to tool. With its powerful 250-watt motor, it blends, mixes, and chops your favorite foods in seconds, from smoothies to dips. Cleanup is a breeze. Just twist off the stainless steel blade, rinse, and pop the BPA-free cups in the dishwasher. This 10-piece set includes everything you need: a motor base, crossblade, tall and short cups, resealable lids. Number 5. Kitchen-in-the-box food processors. Looking for a kitchen tool that makes food prep quick and easy? Meet the Kitchen-in-the-Box Food Processor. Powered by a 400-watt all-copper motor, it delivers professional performance and comes with upgraded over-temperature protection for a longer, safer lifespan. The automatic stop design halts the blades immediately once the motor pops, ensuring safety for your family. This food processor includes 2 8-cup bowls, one 304 stainless steel bowl for grinding meat, and a glass bowl for chopping other foods. The 2 sets of stainless steel S-blades are designed for easy cleaning and to maintain food hygiene. With 2 speed settings, you can chop, grind, and blend everything from vegetables to tough meats in seconds, whether it's for meatballs, salads, purees, or sauces. Number 6. Nunis Whizzy Whisk. Looking for a simple, efficient whisk? The Nunis Whizzy Whisk is the perfect tool for effortless mixing. No batteries or electricity required. Just press and stir for smooth, consistent results. Made from durable food-grade stainless steel, this whisk is built to last. Its upgraded metal wire springs handle over 5,000 rotations, and it's rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Ideal for whisking eggs, stirring batters, or mixing sauces, it's perfect for any kitchen task. Easy to clean and highly versatile, the Nunis Whizzy Whisk is a must-have tool and a great gift for any baker. Number 7. Vinci Hands-Free Electric Citrus Juicer. If you love fresh juice but hate the hassle of squeezing, the Vinci Hands-Free Electric Citrus Juicer is about to change the game for you. With its simple one-button press, you can enjoy freshly squeezed juice without lifting a finger. Just press and let the juicer do the rest. It's that easy. The juicer is made with BPA-free Tritan plastic and has a juice reservoir that holds up to 12 ounces. Whether it's lemons, oranges, or grapefruits, this juicer can handle them all, even large fruits up to 4.5 inches in diameter. Plus, it comes with 2 interchangeable pulp filters, so you can customize the pulp level to suit your taste. Cleanup is a breeze too. Simply remove the parts and pop them in the dishwasher. Number 8, Baoyuan Vacuum Sealer Machine. Looking to preserve your food longer? The Baoyuan Vacuum Sealer Machine is here to help. Its slim, lightweight design makes it perfect for small kitchens. With powerful 85 kPa suction and a high-quality heating strip, it preserves food up to 8 times longer than traditional methods. This 5-in-1 sealer makes it easy to vacuum, seal, and even open food packages. It works for both dry and wet foods with manual control options and an external hose for jars. The machine's enhanced wet suction handles liquids like soups and sauces effortlessly. Quiet, efficient, and easy to clean, the Baoyuan Vacuum Sealer is a must-have tool for keeping food fresh and organized in your kitchen. Number 9, Sailnovo Pasta Maker Machine. Looking to make fresh pasta at home? The Sailnovo Pasta Maker Machine is your perfect kitchen companion. Made with food-grade materials, it ensures a safe, hygienic cooking experience without any metallic or plastic smells. With 9 adjustable thickness settings, you can easily customize your pasta, from thick noodles to thin dumpling skins. The cutter attachment offers 2 width options, 2.0 millimeters and 4.5 millimeters, perfect for spaghetti, lasagna, and more. Cleaning is simple with just a brush or toothpick. Number 10, Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, rechargeable with LED. Looking for a salt and pepper grinder that combines convenience and style? The Tomim Electric Grinder Set is exactly what you need. With a generous capacity, it holds up to 2.3 aughts, 66 grams of pepper, perfect for everyday meals and large family gatherings. This set is rechargeable and comes with a Type-C cable for easy charging. Forget about constantly replacing batteries. One charge lasts up to a month of daily use, saving you time and money. The premium stainless steel design makes these grinders durable and sleek, adding a modern touch to any kitchen or dining table. With 5 adjustable settings, you can easily control the grind's coarseness, unlocking maximum flavor and aroma for any dish. And it's elegantly packaged in a deluxe gift box, making it an ideal gift for weddings, birthdays, or special occasions. Number 11. Balmuda the Toaster. Looking for the perfect toaster to upgrade your mornings? Balmuda the Toaster is here to elevate your breakfast experience. Whether you're toasting artisan bread, sandwiches, or pastries, it offers 5 versatile cooking modes to suit your needs. What makes it special? It's revolutionary steam technology. Unlike regular toasters, Balmuda uses steam to toast the bread's surface while keeping it moist and flavorful inside. Number 12, Kambom Rotary Cheese Grater. If you're looking for a faster, safer way to grate cheese, the Kambom Rotary Cheese Grater hand crank is the solution. With 3 different blades, coarse, fine, and slicing, you can grate cheese like cheddar, mozzarella, and Parmesan in just 30 seconds. Its durable stainless steel blades are rust-resistant, and the BPA-free plastic parts make it safe to use. The suction cup base provides a secure, slip-free grip on any countertop. Number 13. Gotham Steel Ceramic Pots and Pans Set. Looking for the perfect cookware set? The Gotham Steel 12PC Ceramic Cookware Set is your answer. With over 30 million satisfied customers, this set is a game changer in the kitchen. Featuring a diamond-reinforced non-stick coating, it guarantees easy food release, no need for oils or butter, making cooking healthier and cleanup a breeze. This set includes everything you need: an 8.5-inch skillet, 10.5-inch frying pan, saucepans, stock pot, and a steamer insert. Number 14. The first patented Lazy Susan turntable. Looking for the perfect addition to your family gatherings or parties? Look no further than the Lazy Susan Revolution. This innovative turntable makes sharing dishes a breeze, allowing everyone to easily serve themselves. Its extra-large design is perfect for large groups, and it's easily expandable to fit any table size, with extra trays available separately. Setting it up is incredibly simple. Just 2 minutes and no tools required. Number 15. Chefman's 6-quart dual basket air fryer. Looking for an air fryer that can handle multiple dishes at once? The Chefman's 6-quart dual basket air fryer oven is your solution. With 2 baskets and a sink finish feature, you can cook 2 different dishes simultaneously and have them finish at the same time. The temperature ranges from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can cook at both low and high heat for perfect results. Plus, it requires little to no oil for healthier frying. Number 16. Blauke Bamboo Cheese Board and Knife Set. Are you looking for a chic and functional way to present your cheeses? The Blauke Bamboo Cheese Board and Knife Set is exactly what you need. This 14-inch round board is perfect for serving 2 to 3 people, and it's foldable for easy storage. Made from 100% natural bamboo, it's not only eco-friendly but also durable and resistant to stains and odors, with a smooth, splinter-free surface. This set includes a plain knife for firmer cheeses, an all-purpose knife, and a serving fork, all neatly stored in a hidden slide-out drawer. But it's not just for cheese. Use this versatile board for fruits, vegetables, meats, crackers, and more at your next party, picnic, or gathering. Number 17. Higher Torque Electric Jar Opener. Hey everyone! Today I want to share this electric jar opener. It's seriously a game changer for anyone who struggles with opening jars. It's made from durable, eco-friendly ABS plastic, and its compact size, 6.8 by 2.5 by 4.3 inches, means it won't take up too much space on your counter. Using it is super easy. Just place it on the jar, hit the button, and watch it open the lid for you. No more fighting with those tough jars. This is perfect for anyone with weak wrists, seniors, or just anyone who can't get those lids off. It works on regular and vacuum-sealed jars with lids between 1.2 and 3.5 inches. And don't worry, iDocs offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you're covered if anything goes wrong. If you're tired of struggling with jars, this electric opener is a must-have. Number 18. Presto Electric Foldaway Skillet. Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to talk about the Presto 06857 16-inch electric foldaway skillet, a true game changer for your kitchen. This skillet is incredibly versatile, offering everything you need in one pan, whether you're roasting, frying, grilling, stewing, baking, or making casseroles. It handles it all. The large 16-inch cooking surface with high sidewalls gives you ample space to cook big meals, and it's perfect for both cooking and serving in one pan. Cleaning and storage are a breeze. The base detaches easily for quick cleanup, and the handles fold down so you can remove the pan from the base. When the handles are folded, the base fits neatly inside the pan for compact storage, which is great for saving space in your kitchen. The skillet also comes with a tempered glass cover featuring a Stay Cool handle, so you can check your food without worrying about burns. Plus, the PFAS-free non-stick surface inside and out ensures that your food cooks evenly and cleanly, and it's super easy to clean after use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you in the next video.